So in this video I thought I'd show you how to make your morning drink of a ginger tea. This will really help to enkindle your digestive fire and help improve your digestion so it becomes more balanced. We want some fresh ginger that's just been peeled back a little bit, so we can grate off about 1/4 teaspoon on our fine grater. And just add that to the cup. Then add our boiling water. Add a squeeze of lemon. And once the water has cooled down a little bit, then we can add just a shallow teaspoon of honey. So the honey's fantastic because it's got a real scraping, scarifying quality, so it helps to remove any armour that's accumulated in the digestive tract overnight. And the ginger and the lemon really help to, again, remove armour and enkindle the digestive fire. So this is an amazing drink for your digestion. It's awesome to have first thing in the morning, but you can also have it throughout the day, particularly if your digestion feels a little bit taxed, or you've been overdoing it a little bit, or if you're cleansing, or if you feel like you're coming down with a bit of a cold. This is an amazing thing to have. So there you have it, so easy, perfect thing to have every morning before breakfast.